Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to customize the control center on the PlayStation 5. So to access the control center, all you have to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and that's the black button in the middle. Now once you do this, the control center is going to pop up even if you're in a game or an app. And from here you're going to see a bunch of different widgets on the bottom. And selecting one of these is going to open up a convenient quick menu where you can customize things. For example, the switcher, that's pretty useful. For this you can switch to recently played games or apps. So anyway, by default though, not every widget is enabled. So to customize this control center menu, all you have to do is press the options button on your controller, and that's the button with 3 lines next to the triangle. So now you're going to see a bunch of icons, and by checking these boxes you can toggle these widgets on or off. And for example, accessibility is one that's not enabled by default but can be very useful for a lot of people. And then also network. So if we go back here, now we can see those, and we can open this one up, and those are some pretty useful settings, and you can also go to the main settings page for that category. So I personally do not really like a lot of these. So what I do is I just disable all of them, and that makes things a lot cleaner on the control center so that you can just go to these main categories that pretty much everyone uses. So that's about all I have for this video. Hope I could help, and thanks for watching.